Hi everyone, welcome to Sweets and Treats. My name is Annie and today we're making one of my favorite desserts, absolutely delicious honey cake. Cake layers we will need all-purpose flour, sugar, honey, 2 eggs, unsalted butter, salt and baking soda. Place the butter, honey and sugar inside a thick base pot and put it on medium heat. If you don't have the thick base pot, you can use any pot, but instead of placing it directly on the stove, better use steam bath. We don't want to boil this mixture, just wait until the butter is melted and start slowly to add eggs. Keep stirring the mixture. Add baking soda. As soon as the mixture starts to grow in size, remove it from the heat. Pour it into a spare bowl, add salt and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to rest in room temperature. Sift in flour in 2 or 3 additions, stirring well after each. The butter will be a little bit sticky and that's okay. Cover the batter with the clean wrap and place it in fridge for 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's make our cream. For that we will need sour cream, heavy cream, icing sugar, vanilla extract and honey. Place heavy cream, icing sugar and sour cream into a spare bowl and start to whip it on slow speed, step by step increasing it. When the cream is almost done, add vanilla extract and honey. Mix it all together. This is the texture we are looking for. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees and divide the butter into 10 equal-sized pieces. Use a scale to make sure they're the same size. Roll out each dough piece into a large round circle. Make it really thin, about 3 to 5 millimeters. Prick the layer with the fork. Bake each cake layer for 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Once the cake layer comes out of the oven, use a plate, a baking ring or a lid with 18 cm diameter as a stencil to cut out a perfect circle. Save the cake trimmings for decorating. While one cake is baking, roll out another layer to speed up the process. When all the layers are baked, let them rest and cool down. Everything is ready to make a cake. Put a little bit of cream on the bottom of cake stand to stick the first layer. Frost a cake layer with about 75 grams of cream and stack another on top. Repeat the process until all the layers are stacked. Keep the cream leftovers as we will need it to frost the cake sides. Cover the cake with cling wrap and place an adjustable baking ring on it. I prefer to use a scotch tape to make it more tight. This step is absolutely optional, you can skip it, but I love how this ring helps to make your cake smooth with beautiful layers. Allow the cake to set in fridge overnight. Shred the leftover cake pieces in blender and use it to decorate the sides of the cake. After the cake rested enough in the fridge, take it out, remove the ring and cling wrap. Frost the sides of the cake with the remaining cream. Decorate the sides of the cake with cake crumbs. And enjoy every bite of it.